Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. So in this video, I'll teach you guys on how to make money online for free, and you have no money to spend. All you need to invest is internet and patience, and combine it with hard work. So in this video, I will just show you how I withdraw the money I earned online. If you want to learn and earn money fast, just message my FB account. Okay, so watch this on how I withdraw my money I earned online in just 5 days.